All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2020 Dodge Charger police package, 5.7 HEMI, all-wheel drive, former state trooper highway patrol take-home vehicle, original bright white from factory, folks. The paint does look great, super sharp, very shiny. Vehicle does have some very light, tiny little chips that I will point out to you as I make my way around the vehicle. I was able to see one door ding only. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is road ready to go anywhere, folks. Let me go ahead and stop right here. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint that is going to be 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light, perfect color combination on this one. Vehicle does have one antenna hole on the roof and then one on the trunk lid. You guys can see those right there. Those are the actual antenna, folks. I put those back in there. So if you are planning to drive your car through an express car wash, rest assured that those antennas are going to stay put and they're not going to fly away. Vehicle does have factory working backup sensors, backup camera. Everything does work in the vehicle, folks. I make sure that everything works in the vehicle, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, as I already took care of everything for you. Vehicle does have a fresh new set of takeoff. Those are going to be the 245 55 18s by Goodyear Eagle RSAs. Or all four steel wheels have been reconditioned and brought back to new condition by me. So you guys can see the vehicle does have the dog dishes. When the vehicle first arrived, it came with the full wheel covers, which a lot of us do not like. However, I did keep the full wheel covers just in case you want them. I can go ahead and give them to you. Okay, and I did the steel wheel conversion kit, so your vehicle does have a fresh new set of OEM 20 OEM lug nuts and a nice used set of dog dishes. Sorry about that, dog dishes, folks. Conversion to do that is around $450 right now. The most expensive part is getting the lug nuts, because you have to get the right lug nuts for those dog dishes to stay in place. Vehicle does have a nice working LED spotlight. The vehicle did come with the regular Unity halogen bulb that was already oxidated, so I did replace it with a nice LED bulb. There you guys have it, folks. The vehicle does have a nice front end. Let me get closer here. You guys can see some chips right here in the black portion of the bumper. All right, one little chip right here, another one right here, and I am going to backtrack. I do have some chips on the side view mirrors that I did put a little bit of touch-up paint. All right, before I forget, driver side and passenger side view mirrors do have touch-up paint. Those are little rock chips from the vehicle being on the highway. Let me show you the wheels here. Very nice looking wheels, folks. They look new all over again. All right, and look at those center caps. Yeah, it does have the ram on there. I haven't seen those, but I got me a nice set on eBay, folks. Vehicle does have a nice set of clear lights and lessons in the front. Everything does work. The DLRs do work, blinkers do work, honk does work. And I did replace the headlight bulbs to the Sylvania CXC type light bulb, which is a little bit wider and brighter when you are going down the road, dark road that is. Very nice looking car, folks. Very nice looking vehicle. And she drives like a dream, let me tell you. So these are the actual antennas, folks. They're not going anywhere. Let's go inside of the vehicle and show you what I got to work with here, as the time is running down on me. So I'm trying to get this video done within 12 minutes. All right, folks, this is the interior of the vehicle. I do have a matching interior, matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have carpet floors with a semi-new set of OEM floor mats for this one. All right, all four door panels are in mint conditions. They're not destroyed, they're not broken. and there are no holes in them. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat is also in nice firm shape. Both of them are nice and comfortable. Vehicle did come with a police type center console. Let me clean this up here for you. Police type center console, and I did added the plates on top to cover the holes in the wires. Cigarette lighters, USB port, and aux connection does work. All right, let's get inside here. And one key came with the vehicle. Only one key came with the vehicle, which is this one. Please don't lose it. Let's fire her up. All right, here we go. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 125,000 miles. Let's go ahead and round that up to 126. I will be driving this vehicle from time to time, so the miles will go a little bit higher. And I do apologize in advance for not telling you the miles in the beginning. So here you go. Stereo does work. Everything here is touchscreen. You can go ahead and connect your phone to all USB and then run your music, take calls, do whatever you want to do. The vehicle is also equipped with factory Bluetooth, working Bluetooth. So yes, you can connect your phone to the car. Okay. YouTube. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. White LED. Sorry, white LED. Red LED. Sorry guys, I get distracted here every now and then. You do have cup holders here. Cigarette lighters, both do work. You had a burnt fuse, so I went ahead and replaced it. So everything does work now. You got a 2020 Dodge Charger manual right there. Buyer takes all. All right, here we go. Sorry guys. Let's go to the trunk. We're gonna go to the under the hood. LED does work. All right, I'm gonna step it up here real quick, guys. Make sure I cover everything that I need to tell you here in 12 minutes. This is the trunk. Vehicle does have a full spare size tire. I gotta get you a floor down. I gotta get you a floor jack. I will get it. Don't worry about it. By the time the car sells, floor jack will be in place. Here it is, folks. This is the trunk. All right. Folks, just so you know, once I get the paint is very, very sharp. I couldn't see any door dings but one. I could not see any scratches. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up. And by the way, they went up in price. So my detail crew is getting expensive, folks. But I gotta have the quality. Otherwise, I'm not getting in it. So either I get it right or don't do it at all. Let me be quiet here real quick. The engine, no funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticks, no funny noises whatsoever. Here we go. All right, here we go, starting right to left, folks. I do have a brand new air filter. I do have a brand new OEM coolant reservoir and Mopar coolant. Vehicle does have 16 new OEM Irradium spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil. Service was done, fluid and filter. Cabin filter is new. Transmission was serviced, and I did go with the ATF Plus 4 Mopar fluid and filter. And I did also replace the thermostat. For those of us that are familiar with Dodge Chargers, they do run on a 203-degree thermostat. I do replace those to 180. Gates makes them. They're about $50. Best thing you could do to the Charger engine, because they do run hot. And all it does, it's just gonna open up earlier, and it's gonna keep the needle right above the half point on your dash. Best thing you can ever do. All right, suspension is nice and tight, folks. Brakes are around 70% all around, so I didn't have to replace any brakes and rotors. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Battery tested good, so I didn't have to replace a battery. The battery tested in healthy condition. Sorry for saying taste it. Yeah, I do not taste batteries. That is not healthy at all. All right, so once again, I do apologize for my mistakes. This is all being live, and I do not have a script in front of me, folks, so I do make mistakes. My bloopers, I hope I can make you smile out there. All right, one last final look at this beautiful 2020. Once again, everything does work in this vehicle, folks. She's solid. She's very, very fast. She does respond, very responsive compared to your civilian package. Honk does work. I'm sorry, I almost forgot that. How about that, Mario? Very, very responsive, folks. When you're going down the highway, it feels like you're just gliding on the highway. All right, very quiet, nice and fast. Air conditioner's nice and cold, so she has everything you need, folks. If you are looking for a nice looking, performing Dodge Charger, I have it here for you. If you are looking for quality, folks, I have just the car here for you. If you see something you like, please don't hesitate. Make the call, let's talk, and let's see what we can do. Don't call me after the vehicle has been purchased on eBay and then you tell me if the buyer doesn't take it, I'll take it. No, guys, come on. Most of my guys, 99% of the time, they're buying the vehicle. Okay? If you're looking for something cheap, I'm sorry, I don't have it. I'd rather take care of the customer, and I do want to sleep at night. So I'm not gonna sell you something cheap right out of the auction lot. That's not how I work. All right, folks, thanks for watching. You guys have yourself a great weekend. Happy 4th. God bless and take care. Thank you.